Okay. What type of epithelium is pointed? Ano? Stratified squamous epithelium. How about that epithelium? Simple columnar epithelium. And then what is the characteristic activity of those cells which are possessing? Okay, what is the nature of their secretion? Mucinous. Now, what portion of the female reproductive tract will have that will display that two types of epithelial tissues? The cervix. So that pointed portion is the endo or the exocervix? The exocervix. And then that should be the endocervix. Okay, the invaginations of the epithelium will form the endocervical glands. Okay. So, in that portion of the cervix, what is your diagnosis? In that portion only. Is there a malignancy in that portion? Okay, ang nakalabel sa manual, cancer of the cervix. How will you call those aggregates of cells? They are? Okay, they are mononuclear or polymorphonuclear? Mono. So that, what is your diagnosis in that portion of the slide? Okay, chronic inflammation only. Okay, so that you will be able to appreciate better the abnormality in this slide, let us first review the normal appearance of a stratified squamous epithelium. Okay? That is irregular stratified squamous epithelium. What can you say about the size of the nuclei at the superficial layer and the size of the nuclei at the basal layer? Which layer will show larger? Okay, the basal. So as the squamous cells ascend to the superficial layer, there is gradual decrease in the nuclear size, because eventually the squamous cells will die after 2 to 3 days after reaching the stratum corneum, or the most superficial layer of the stratified squamous epithelium. Thus, there is normal maturation pattern that is displayed by the cells as they ascend to the superficial layer. How will you now call the nuclei which are already small in size? Anong microscopic description ng nucleus na nag-decrease ang size? Karyorrhexis, karyolysis, or pycnosis? Okay, so there is pycnosis of the nucleus, and then you have already discussed this in the lecture. That cell, those 1, 2, 3, those 3 cells are showing still moderately enlarged nuclei with perinuclear halo or perinuclear clear area. How do you call that change? Ano? Coilocytosis. The development of coilocytosis is associated with what infection? A human papilloma virus infection. So that is an evidence that that cervix is already infected with HPV. What are the 3 most common predisposing factors for the development of cervical cancer or HPV infection? Again, multiple sexual partner, because you never know whom among your sexual partners will have the infection. Okay, and then what else? Okay, early age of sexual intercourse. Why?
Longer duration.
Lami, manggod. Pag sa'yo masugdan, makadaghan. What else? The third. Okay, having a sexual partner with multiple sexual partner. So that will increase the risk of having an infection. Okay? So most likely, the cause for the abnormality of this slide, that is just a minor abnormality, the major abnormality that is present in this slide is shown in that portion. Now, how will you describe now the size of the nuclei? Is there a gradual decrease in size of the nuclei? Okay, no. Okay. The size of the nuclei at the superficial layer is almost as large as those in the basal layer. When there is full thickness atypia of this squamous epithelium, what should be our diagnosis? And then the basement membrane is still intact. The underlying connective tissue is not yet infiltrated by the tumor cell. Okay, carcinoma in situ. Have we discussed cervical intraepithelial neoplasia, or CIN? Okay, what is the definition of CIN1? Atypia is present at
Lower third.
okay, lower 1/3. How about CIN3?
All
Okay, reaching the upper third already. Okay, also included in CIN3 is carcinoma in situ. Okay, so there is full thickness atypia, so that the cells at the superficial layer are already displaying large nuclei, and then that cell is about to undergo mitosis, indicating that those cells are multiplying at a very fast rate, because normally mitotic activity is limited only at the basal layer. As the cells ascend to the superficial layer, they will lose that capability to multiply. Okay, kaya stratum germinativum. Okay, germination layer ang other name ng stratum basale.